Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about very interesting things. Let's see how you can shortlist a best master's program which aligns your dreams or your future goals. So the first thing I would say is interest. So choose a master's program that align your long-term goals. Always create short-term goals and always create long-term goals. When you have a long-term goals, you should choose a master program that is going to take you to reach your long-term goals. So you should see the program components and what benefits you will be getting when you are studying a particular master's program, what skills you will be learning, what are the program outcomes, what are the knowledge and skill set that you're going to learn, and how it's going to help you in reaching your goal of like long-term goals. How this will able to achieve you towards your long-term goal. So this is very important. So first thing always I am telling to my students, or always I tell to many candidates, is choose a master's program which you are interested to study, and this should align very closely to your long-term goals. For example, in the future you want to start a manufacturing business in some pharmaceutical industry or food industry or some other industry. You should equip with those knowledge, and if you are having some relevant bachelors in those, and if you have some interest to do this masters, then this is a right program. You should study something in manufacturing, or in the future you want to study something different and you want to start a business, or you want to work in particular dream job. So to achieve that dream job, you should learn some skills during your master's program, and you should select the master's program that is going to teach you those skills. So that is very important. Choose the master's program that is very interest of you. Next important thing I would recommend is research about the program. Research about the quality of the program. Many times we only see the university ranking and we just blindly go ahead with that, but we are not deeply focusing about the subjects that you're going to study for like masters or bachelors or a PhD program. So always research the program, how quality the program is organized, how the industry connections are there. So because when you study those programs, you not only get a master's degree, you are going to be like developing specific skills on those subjects during those 2 years of master's or whatever PhD or bachelor's. So the skills that you develop should be the best skills. So you should learn from the best research facilities, best laboratory, from the best teachers. So this is very important. So check the quality of the program and what industry collaborations they have, and this is very important. So the next very important thing that you should consider when you are selecting international programs to reach your dream job or dream goals is the opportunity that lies. So you should seek what are the opportunities and benefits you will be getting after graduations. Is it really important that should I do this mandatory courses, or should I opt for other mandatory courses during the master's program? So you should choose those options. Who are getting graduated, you should learn from them. What are the industries they are focusing, and how early they are start looking for the jobs, how industry connections they are able to establish, and what you can do to make it even better. What are the collaboration that you can take from yourself? Talk with different people, talk with different technical people, whomever you can meet, and establish some contacts, and try to find more opportunities. That is very important. When talking about the opportunities, what are the jobs? For example, if you want to go for jobs after your graduations, what are the jobs that I am able to eligible for applying? I can directly have a clear hit target. And what are the other jobs where I am capable of applying, but I need some certain skills, so that you can, if you know that you need to develop some skills, and by the time you are applying and going through the interview, you can learn them and you can showcase them. So this is very important. See the opportunity that lies in a master's program, and how interest you are having when you are about to study for a program. And the very important thing is research about the program. And finally, I would say the most of the students, they don't do this, is checking the validation of the program, or checking the accreditation of the university. Sometimes we blindly go with some rankings, university rankings, or from different rankings, but we have to see the university or this course is aggregated by the host country or the host state in a foreign country. This is very important. So you should do some good research in understanding the validation of the program that you are studying. So this is quite important. Mostly if you are studying from a public university, you don't have to worry, but you are studying in a private university, just try to like keep this in mind. So this is very important. So thank you guys.